Your next question is, due to which disease a person cannot eat potatoes? These are your options. A. Fever. B. Sugar. C. Cancer. D. Malaria. The correct answer is B. Sugar. Your next question is, eating which vegetable sharpens the brain? These are your options. A. Cabbage. B. Potato. C. Spinach. D. Bitter gourd. The correct answer is C. Spinach. Your next question is, which bird never loses its way? These are your options. A. Eagle. B. Parrot. C. Cuckoo. D. Pigeon. The correct answer is D. Pigeon. Your next question is, which animal has blue tongue? These are your options. A. Elephant. B. Horse. C. Giraffe. D. Leopard. The correct answer is C. Giraffe. Your next question is, where is the strongest bone in the human body? These are your options. A. Of ear. B. Thigh. C. Hand. D. Jaw. The correct answer is D. Jaw. Your next question is, where has India's first floating ATM been opened? These are your options. A. Kerala. B. Gujarat. C. Kashmir. D. Maharashtra. The correct answer is A. Kerala.